Yeah, we've got it all. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Gary up the back on sound tonight. It's a big job when you're going to deal with musicians, I can tell you. I deal with them all the time. We've got a big feet
Thanks
on
for no one.
Musicians, yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. Musicians are hard to get on with. I'm very hard to get on with. No, I'm easy. These guys are easy to get on with. Ladies and gentlemen, would you like to hear them play Rivet City?
Forefathers told us that this day would come. Grown from the mold, we grew and flew until we reached the sun.
Thank you very much. Go yourself up, please, We're in Rivet City. We all farm for salt. I'm not sure how it's done, but we try. This is a song that we wrote, and it's on our debut EP, which came out very recently, and it's called Rivet City EP.
give you a compliment, even if it's untrue. Don't have to get on, don't gotta fight good. I will give it a crack this time. Always you gotta be good. Oh, always you gotta be
None of us are Canadian. This song's called Out of Sight. This is a new one.
so I look at it differently. I was a strange by you, so I voyaged across the sea. Now I'm back here with you, so let's light up this whole city.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, I'm sweating a lot. Never sweat this much in my life. I actually sweat a lot. I sweat when I sit still. I sweat when I think about like sport and stuff. This is a completely new song. It's very fresh. It was written by Mariah Carey, sent to us, and then we completely threw away the song and wrote this, and it's called The North.
Well, I'm feeling
carry for the judges as an original. Don't worry. We've only got one more song to go if we have time. Which we do! Salome. So thanks for having us. Thanks to the other band. It's been genuinely, like I actually mean this, it's been very, very, very tight competition. It's been pretty impressive to watch. So let's play some more gigs together and have some fun. I need a microphone. Not a microphone, harmonica, got a microphone. Classic Woonona humour. We're here for Thursday. We're going to get a harmonica. This song's called Put It in H. Put It in H.
I know that one.
Rivet City? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello, yes. That was great, guys. Thank you so much. Really enjoying the bands in this competition and lots to come. I'd like to thank our judges again tonight. Al Wright, you're amazing, man.
Thanks, thank you.
You and your Harley Davidson. He's going to take me for a ride later on. don't know whether to be scared or excited.
Got small legs.
So when you go this way, I go that way, is that it? Thank you. Lachlan Kitchen from My 98 FM. Give me a round of applause. You're here between 9 and 12. That's right, isn't it? 9 and 12.
Yeah, that's right.
And yeah, Glenn Bowker in the middle there. He's awesome too. Local legend. Thanks to all our sponsors. You're going to get sick of me saying them. But get down to Hayworth. They've got some great specials on the moment. And then Main Street Studio. If you've got a band you want to go and do some recording, Main Street Studio. And if you want some gigs, come and see LP Entertainment.
What if you want some coffee?
If you want some coffee, you go to Perfect Break Cafe. Or Woonona Bulli RSL. Good chicken schnitzel. And then, of course, I-98, Illawarra Mercury, and Wing Television. How good was that ad? Does anyone see the ad? Yep. Popping up right in the middle of The Voice. So The Voice, and then up comes the competition advert. So I was pretty proud of that moment. I even got it on my phone. It's like, ooh, look at this. Prime time. In The Voice.
Nice work, thank you.
So yeah, it's awesome. So couldn't do that without our sponsors. So it is. It's awesome. It's very cool. But I'm really looking forward to the final too, because we're going to have 10 fantastic bands in the final, and that's on the 9th of August, and that's here at Woonona Bulli RSL. Tickets will be on sale very shortly.
I've already got my seats. I've already bought my seats.
You bought your seats for the grand final?
I've already bought it.
It's in the auditorium. You bought the wrong seats. We're sold out. Sorry. Yeah, that's very nice. All right, so yeah, auditorium 9th of August. Now, if you don't make it through the competition, don't be heartbroken, because there's still avenues to get back into the competition. We have wildcard entries, and of course we have the semi-final on the Heat 8. Which is the 31st of July. So all the second place getters will go through to the repechage round. So they'll have another chance into the final. And then we'll have our wildcard entries. And then we're going to have an online voting system, which I'll have to talk to I-98 and the Mercury how we can do that, to vote for the encouragement awards as well. So I don't want anything to do with trying to make the decisions, because how can you? These guys are so good. I really enjoy the musicians in the Illawarra. I have for the last 12 years. I've been a big supporter. And Lachlan Kitchen said the other day, he said, "How you making any money?" Good. That's just it. You either got to love the industry or you're going to hate it. So if you're in it for the money, you might as well jump out now. You know, there's no big $1 billion paychecks spent in the music industry, I'll tell you.